Are you one of those people who loves doodling with watercolor botanicals? Today, we're going to paint watercolor leaves freehand. No drawing, just paint. This is a fantastic way to practice your brush pressure as well as recognizing the consistency and the amount of paint you put on your palette and brush. Load your brush with a good amount of green paint, flowing but not too watery. You're aiming for something that's the consistency of whole milk. What we're about to do is outline the leaf and fill it in with paint before it dries. Touch the tip of your brush to the paper. Your hand should be at a 45-degree angle, but with light pressure and more of the tip. Create the center vein of the leaf by moving your whole hand across the paper. At the tip of the leaf, pull the brush back toward your body. As you do this, gently press down, widening the brush for the right side of the leaf. As you get close to the stem, lift your brush, tapering to a point. Leave a little bit of the stem if you can. Now, fill in the shape you just outlined. You can leave a strip of white highlight if you like. Now create the left side of the leaf by making another brush stroke from either tip to stem or vice versa. At the end, soak up any beads of paint with the tip of your damp brush. Repeat this process as many times as you need until you get the hang of it. What you're doing is building muscle memory just like you would with any sport, instrument, or new task. The key is varying your pressure. Light pressure for the stem and vein, more for the edge and the middle. Don't worry about perfection here. This is all about practice and feel. So keep that practice up and you'll be amazed at your progress. Thanks for joining me and happy painting!